Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at the TV dock station for the Nintendo Switch from HaeBorl. If you're a Switch owner and often want to play your games on a big screen, this compact 3-in-1 dock might just be what you're looking for. The set includes three main components: the dock itself, a 1080p HDMI cable, and a 39-watt AC charger. Let's start with the HDMI cable. It's capable of outputting at 1080p at 60 Hz, which means you can mirror your Switch gameplay onto your TV with smooth visuals and minimal lag. Whether you're racing in Mario Kart or exploring Hyrule, the dock promises clear, dynamic images that bring your console games to life on a larger screen. Moving on to the AC charger. It's a 39-watt fast charger equipped with an integrated power delivery system. This allows your Switch to charge from 0 to full in just about 2.5 hours. The dock also features a multi-protection system designed to safeguard your console during the charging process, giving you peace of mind while gaming or charging. The dock itself acts as a connectivity hub. It has one high-speed USB 3.0 port and two standard USB 2.0 ports. This setup allows you to connect additional accessories and expand your Switch's functionality in tabletop mode. From controllers to other peripherals, you can connect what you need to enhance your gaming experience without any fuss. Design-wise, this dock is compact and portable. Its small footprint means it fits comfortably in travel bags or laptop sleeves, making it easy to take with you if you're on the go. Despite its size, it's built with an original-grade IC module, which ensures stable video mirroring and reliable performance. This upgraded chip enhances compatibility, making the dock work seamlessly with both the original Nintendo Switch and the Switch models. Another key point is that this is not compatible with the newer Switch 2 model, so make sure you check your console version before purchasing. For what it offers, it's a complete solution for Switch users who want to enjoy their console on a bigger screen. Fast charging, and extra connectivity in one compact package. Overall, the HaeBorl TV dock station delivers an affordable, portable, and reliable way to take your Nintendo Switch gameplay beyond the console itself. It's easy to set up, travel-friendly, and designed with user safety and video performance in mind. If you're a Switch player who wants a simple way to connect to a TV without carrying around the original bulky dock, this product is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.